The Life of a Fridge, Part 1. Where's the ketchup, Nicole? I need some ketchup for my cheeseburger.
I think it's on the top shelf.
What? Oh.
I think it's any orange juice.
Orange juice?
Yeah, we have it. Yeah, yeah, you see, we have orange juice.
Do you have any chocolate milk?
We have chocolate.
Do you have chocolate and milk? Yes! Chocolate milk.
Yeah. We need.
What ingredients do we need for brownies?
I know. We need eggs. We need meat. Yeah, meat, sausage, whatever this is.
Hey, this looks useful.
Come on.
What else do you think we need?
I don't know what's in here.
Whipping cream?
Sure. Oh,
Mayo. Mayo.
Yes.
Mayo. Why didn't you get the pickles? Why didn't you think of the pickles? Pickles.
Sorry.
Pickles.
Sorry. You know what? I forgot about the pickles. Okay?
I can't believe you forgot.
We have everything we need. We have pickles. We got cheese. We
Enough
got
about
onions.
pickles. I don't want to talk about pickles
We even
anymore.
got chopped ham.
Chopped ham?
Man,
We need more chopped ham. Look,
Look,
this won't supply our
there is
family.
tons. Oh, look, there's a huge block of ham here.
Thank you for supplying our family.
You're welcome. Trying to get some appreciation around here.
Oh, nothing. What should I get now?
I don't know.
You have Jello?
Yeah, you want some?
What kind is this?
I think it's cherry.
This is not cherry. This is not cherry.
Homemade.
Jello.
Yeah.
And what is this?
Cheeseburger soup.
Cheeseburger soup?
Perfect.
They go together so well.
We can get some water. We're out of water.
You out of water?
We're out of water. Oh, I'll just have a juice box.
What is this Mendota sparkling? It's
That's
water.
not.
It's lemon sparkling water.
This is a juice
water.
Do you see how
W-A-T-E-R.
Water.
Water.
Fine, I'll have it.
Whatever. Whatever. Hello? Hello? Who is it? Hello? I hate those prank callers.
Did you put my banana in the fridge?
No. You want your banana? Here's your banana. Here's your banana. Are you happy now?
What is this?
Are you happy with your...
What is this?
That's my banana.
Why do I get a bad one?
Oh man, because you're a bad person, and bad people deserve bad bananas. Go in the fridge.
Oh no.
Yes, I have to go in the fridge. No, you can't.
Yeah,
go in the fridge.
banana.
This is my limit, my half of the house.
I'm gonna shoot you with a banana.
Remember, Nicole, love is your weapon. Love is your weapon.
No, a banana is my weapon.
Bananas aren't weapons. You're just a bad person. Like I said earlier, a bad person.
Shoot you with a banana.
Where's my banana shooter? I want a banana
You don't
gun.
get a banana gun.
Why don't you go to the well? You know what's better yet? I get a...
Fridge shield. Die. No.
Well, take care of that. Exterminate, regenerate. I'm